Hello everyone, in today's class we are going to see the very important topic called blending mode in Adobe Photoshop. What is blending mode? Blending mode takes pixels of one layer and blends with another layer to give us a new effect. Okay, let me explain you clearly. To apply blending mode effect, we need two layers. So if you are going to apply an effect in a layer, it should be placed above the second layer. Now, if you apply the effect in the first layer, so as I said before, it takes the first layer pixels and blends with the another layer to give us the new effect. This is all about blending mode. And this theory suits for all blending mode which is present in the layers panel. We can find blending modes in layers panel. We have lots of blending modes. In this class, I am not going to take all the blending modes and I am not ready to confuse you people by taking all the blending modes. So I am going to take only two blending modes with an example. So let's start.
Open Photoshop and create a new document. Now let's place an image. This is the image which I am going to use. Let's change the background layer for the better visibility of the image which we placed.
Now, if I plan to delete the background here, I have to rasterize the image. Rasterize means we are converting the image to Photoshop format. So then only we can edit an image. Without rasterizing, we can't edit an image. So to remove the background without rasterizing, we have lots of methods. So in that, we are going to use a method called blending mode. So you can also use this method to remove a background which is a solid color, especially black or white.
Now, if I plan to delete this background, we have to use a selection tool and select a particular area. If I press delete, we get a pop-up message. It says the selected area in the image cannot be edited, so we have to rasterize it. So without rasterizing, I have to delete the background and the image should blend with the background layer. For that, I am going to use option called blending mode. Here the image which I took has black and white color. For blending mode, we need two layers. Then only blending mode will work. Here we have the image layer and the background layer. And we are going to apply the blending mode to image layer. Here we have lots of blending modes in layer panel. But we are going to see only two blending modes. As I said before, we need two layers to blend. We have background layer and image layer. We are going to blend the image layer with background layer. For that, select the image layer and we are going to apply the blend mode called multiply. You can see there, after giving the multiply blending mode in the image layer, the white color in the image removed. If I select the image and give normal, you can see we got the normal image back. So the multiply blend mode will remove white from an image. This is the use of multiply blend mode. Now I am going to give the second blend mode called screen. What happened when I gave screen blend mode? It removed black from the image. So, multiply will remove white from the image and screen will remove black from the image.
This is all about two blending modes, multiply and screen with an example. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.